Welcome to Module 11, LA108ers. This module is primarily about developing criteria. And criteria is the stuff upon which a judgment can be based. So when we first encounter a work of art, we may like it, we may not like it. We may not have any feeling about it at all. Probably you don't want to review things you don't have any strong feelings about one way or another. But the trick is, how do we justify our evaluation of the work of art? How do we argue for it? If we think the work of art is good, upon what criteria are we delivering our judgment? And to loop back around, that is what this module is about. I invite you to enjoy the Michael Kimmelman talk. Uh, he is a savvy New York art reviewer whose discussion of abstract expressionist art is probably one of the best I've ever seen. You know, all those crazy blotches and splatterings of paint that you can't make heads or tails out of? Well, Kimmelman's going to help you with that. And I also invite you to explore a little further this module. Check out Saltz's review of Ur's Hole in the Ground that he calls You. There's a lot of ways to unpack a work of art, LA108ers, and I hope this module is inspiring for you.